Hello everyone, welcome to the course of VLSI Design and Introduction to the VLSI Design lecture. The contents of this lecture are course objectives, course outcomes, syllabus of this course and textbooks and reference books of this course. The objectives of this course are: students will try to learn the understanding of basic electrical properties and characteristics of mass transistor and the construction of basic CMOS circuits. Then CMOS process technology and fabrication techniques. Then the techniques of chip design using programmable logic devices. Then the next objective is they are going to learn the concepts of designing the VLSI subsystems. And the other objective is they are going to learn the both circuits and systems combination onto a single view. The design of both circuits and subsystems to get the system view. That is the designing of circuits and systems. Then the next objective is this course is used to provide the experience designing integrated circuits using computer aided design tools, that is CAD tools. After learning this course, the students will be able to analyze the operation of mass transistor and electrical properties of mass transistors. The outcomes of this course are: after learning of this course, students will be able to analyze the operation and electrical properties of mass transistor. Then they are going to understand the fabrication process of different mass technologies. They will design VLSI circuits and layout for simple mass circuits using lambda based rules. And they will develop and verify subsystems using various logic methods. And the last outcome of this course is they will model and synthesize the digital circuits of like combinational and sequential circuits using VHDL. Coming to the syllabus of this VLSI design course, it is having of 5 units, and the first unit is designed to get the first CO, that is analyze the operation and electrical behavior of mass transistors. Means this unit covers completely the characteristics of mass transistor, like starting from the mass transistor structure, mass transistor operation, mass transistor IDS versus VDS characteristics and application of this mass transistor in different circuits. Then second unit is designed to get the second outcome, that is understanding the fabrication process and for the different mass technologies. Like mass technologies used here are NMOS technology, CMOS technology and BiCMOS technology. For these 3 mass technologies, the fabrication process is going to be covered in the second unit. That is, the second unit covers entirely the fabrication part. Then third unit is designed to get the third CO, that is students will be able to design VLSI circuits and layouts for simple mass circuits. That means, so this unit syllabus covers the completely layout designs, and before designing the layout designs, stick diagram is required. So syllabus is started with the stick diagram and then layout design. Then fourth unit syllabus is nothing but developing and verifying the subsystems using different logic methods and using different CMOS logics. That is, total unit covers with the subsystem design, and in this all the circuits are going to be designed with mass transistors. Then fifth unit is designed to achieve the fifth outcome, that is model and synthesize the digital circuits like the combinational and sequential circuits using VHDL. So our fifth unit is VHDL. Fifth unit covers the VHDL part. In this unit covers starting from the program structure, then different models like data flow model, structural model and behavioral model. Data flow model, structural model and behavioral model. So the students are going to write the programming using these three styles and mixed style also for different applications. The detailed syllabus for the units, unit 1, 2 and 3 and unit 4 and 5 are this. To follow this subject, for these syllabus contents, the textbooks required are, first one is Bucknell. This one, Essentials of VLSI Circuits and Systems, and this second textbook, VLSI Technology by Z, covers the second unit of our syllabus, and Principles of CMOS VLSI Design by Neil Weste, and this Bucknell textbook will give the syllabus of our first unit, third unit and fifth unit, and the last one VHDL is taken from the Digital Design book by Walkerly. So follow these textbooks so that your total contents can be covered. This is our syllabus and course outcomes, objectives, reference books and textbooks. Thank you.